Hi guys, this is Sydney here. Today we will be reviewing my jelly slime. And I got it from Amazon. So as you see, it's like slime on top. There's a little bubble. Okay, so we're gonna try to dig through here to get the stuff. I got the first item. And then it's decoration, and I got Stitch. So let's open it. Okay, there we go. There. Okay, so I'm gonna place it all in there. And just to tell you, there's some ice cubes in the bottom of it. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze it down. This is what it looks like. You see a little ice cube. Bye guys, make sure you like and subscribe to Sydney and Madison's YouTube channel. Be awesome!